How to fix CS2 not launching or crashing. So first thing to do is of course verify game files. To do that, you just have to simply click CS and then go to properties, scroll down till you see this installed files and tap this verify integrity of game files to fix and to restore missing files here. So you just have to tap that one. And that's how you verify your games files. The second thing to do is to simply to check compatibility mode. Go to CS, right click, go to manage, and then go to browse files. And then this time you just have to click this game. Go to bin, click this Win64. Okay, and then after that, you just have to scroll down and click the CS2. Right click, go to properties, and then go to compatibility and make sure that Steam or CS2 is running as an administrator. So first here you can run this to compatibility Windows 10, 11, or if you don't have one that or if not using one, then you can choose Windows 8. But you have to make sure that you click this one, this program as administrator, and then click apply and then okay. Once you follow this method, this problem should be fixed. So you can click play again. If not, then proceed to the next one. All you have to do is simply go to terminal if you're using one. Now, if you tap this, what you're going to do is to paste what I'm about to add to my description. So I'm going to show you. Once you open this one, you just have to copy and then that's it. You can now save that. The reason for this is to disable NVIDIA. A corrupt or incompatible NVIDIA driver on your computer is one of the frequent causes of the crashing issue. Therefore, you can remove the driver and wait for Windows to install a new one to see if that resolves the problem. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.